Do you want to improve your hair health but don't want to spend a fortune on expensive products? Well then, you might need to start giving yourself scalp massages. The simple act is relaxing and can give you amazing results to improve the health of your hair and scalp, reduce hair loss, and promote healthy hair growth. All you need is 5 minutes of your time and possibly a little bit of oil, and you'll be on your way to gorgeous hair in no time. We'll show you how in this video. We'll also be revealing a unique hair detangler never seen before, which removes tangles and stops damage to your hair. So, how do scalp massages work to give you long, healthy hair, and what are the other benefits? Scalp massages are becoming increasingly popular as a treatment for hair loss, as it helps to reduce stress, which can be a major cause of hair loss. Stress causes the scalp to tighten, which in turn hinders circulation and hair growth. A scalp massage is a great way to improve blood circulation to the scalp, which will promote hair growth greatly. All human tissue requires regular blood flow to work effectively, and this includes the scalp. Blood takes oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, so it also nourishes the scalp by giving strength to the roots of the hair and conditioning the hair shafts, which helps to ward off flakes and put a stop to dry, itchy scalp. This in turn causes new hair growth and makes the existing hair stronger. Scalp massages help to unclog hair follicles as well. This allows hair growth out of those follicles and leads to luscious hair. They're also an effective way to get rid of dead skin cells, along with any buildup product and excess dirt. This not only helps in decreasing scalp itch and exfoliating dead skin of the scalp, but it's also key to removing dandruff, making your hair appear shiny and healthy. Scalp massages also relieve headaches and reduce stress. Reducing stress will help reduce hair loss. Research has discovered that getting scalp massages twice a week will reduce the release of stress hormones. So, scalp massages will not only uplift your mood and have a calming effect, but at the same time will be helping you to prevent tightening up those follicles, which can lead to hair loss. Scalp massages have plenty of benefits to your overall health and are very easy and convenient. We'll show you the techniques you can use on yourself. Just 5 minutes a day can give you some quite amazing results. If you've enjoyed this so far, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that bell notification so you can keep a lookout on more hair tips to get healthy, luscious hair. What's the best way to give yourself a scalp massage? Begin by finding a relaxing, quiet area. This could be your bed, your couch, or even a comfortable space at work. Choose a space where you won't get disturbed. It's best if your hair is clean and free of any products. You may also want to detangle your hair before starting to prevent your fingers getting caught in tangles. You'll love using TangleGenie for this, to detangle your hair and to keep it healthy. TangleGenie is designed to prevent hair from damage. The flexible bristles gently detangle without worrying about hair pulling, splitting, or falling out. Give it a try for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair. There are a few techniques you can follow to give yourself a scalp massage. The simplest and easiest massage technique is the traditional scalp massage. Start by running your fingers through your hair from front to back. Move the tips of your fingers in a straight motion, applying downward pressure. Use a good amount of pressure, but also don't be harsh to a point of discomfort. Next, take both your hands and place them on each side of your scalp. Gently grab the scalp, then use your fingertips to apply light to medium pressure to lightly massage your scalp in a circular motion, alternating between clockwise and counterclockwise. Move in small circles and make sure you work your way through your scalp, covering all the parts. The aim is to make different grooves throughout the scalp. You can also keep one hand moving and the other one fixed. Then do the same with the opposite hands. The goal is to create motion and wind down the entire scalp. You can also use the same method by placing one hand in the front and one at the back of the head. Just make sure to take a hold of the scalp tightly to get rid of friction against the hair. A few minutes into the simplest technique, you can switch up to the next massage technique, which is called the squeeze. The one-handed squeeze involves pinching the skin together, making sure no friction is created on the skin. Hold this for a few moments and work through the entire head instead of only the problematic areas. This technique can be done for around a minute. A slightly different version of this is the two-handed squeeze. It requires squeezing the scalp together with both hands to form a crease in the skin. Again, work through your entire scalp, even the areas not affected. The next technique is the scalp shake, which involves gripping the scalp with both hands, then shaking back and forth. This can be done actively and vigorously. It will cause all the hair follicles in the scalp to loosen up and increase blood flow greatly. It will tire out your arms pretty quickly, but it will become easier with time. Try doing this for 30 seconds to begin with, but work towards doing this technique for longer minutes. The scalp shake also provides a relaxing and stress-reducing experience. The next technique involves placing your hands on your scalp and creating a C shape, spreading out your fingers. Instead of moving just your hands or wrist, this technique requires you to move your arms. Move your arms back and forth, making sure your fingers stay on your scalp. You can also use the scalp massager instead of your hands to give yourself an effective and soothing head massage. Scalp massaging tools are available in form of electric brushes or light handheld rubber massagers. If you love any other technique to give yourself a scalp massage, go ahead and share it in the comments below so everyone can benefit from it. One of the best and most effective ways to perform a scalp massage is to do it with oil. There are a number of oils that are known to promote hair growth, especially essential oils. It's best to use diluted essential oils like rosemary, peppermint, and lavender, all of which are known to promote hair growth. You dilute your chosen essential oil by adding a few drops of it into your choice of oil, like coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil. Usually the rule is to dilute every drop of essential oil with 5 ml of oil. You can also simply dilute it in water. Pour a small amount of this diluted solution into your palms and then rub them together to warm it up. Then work it throughout your scalp and go ahead with the techniques mentioned before to get amazing results. We're about to share the most common mistakes to avoid, but before that, make sure you hit that like button. Thanks to your support, YouTube will be more likely to share this with others. The more people see it, the more people can be helped. All thanks to you. Here are a few typical mistakes to avoid while giving yourself a scalp massage. Don't use your nails instead of your fingertips. Using the nails can greatly damage the scalp and hair follicles and lead to lower stimulation and negative results. Another common mistake is that the massage sessions are not consistent enough or too short. Insufficient time and effort will give you poor results. It's best to massage for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes per day. You can try to make sure your massage sessions are at the same time each day. This will improve your consistency and give you the results you want. Don't apply too much pressure or too little. You need to apply just the right amount of pressure, which can give you positive results, but at the same time won't damage the follicles. If you find pulled out hair strands in your hand after a massage, you may be applying excessive pressure. But if your scalp does not feel massaged enough after your session, you may be applying too little pressure. You'll need to experiment a little until you find the pressure that works best for you. So there you have it. Let us know how helpful this video was for you in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to get more tips to keeping your hair healthy. Thanks for watching.